So next one, we're gonna review this diagonal stroke. The diagonal stroke goes to rightward down. That one is a very special one as well. So for this stroke, it starts with a touchdown, a nearly horizontal direction, and also with a tiny dewdrop shape. So the touchdown is also very tiny. I will first demonstrate the whole stroke. Yes, this is a stroke. I know it was not easy when we were doing the foundation course for this particular stroke. But today I want to break down even more, so we go deeper and see if we can see more the nuances for this stroke. So the touchdown. So it's a tiny touchdown. I want you to first start just with this touchdown with horizontal direction. So it has to be tiny before we can go wider and wider, right? So if we start with a big one, then we cannot go further. So let's just try the first touchdown, a tiny touchdown with the direction. Okay, let's try. Now let's add on the 2. So let's just do the 1 and 2. So I would like you to continue, keep that tiny touchdown and increasing the pressure slowly, as slow as you can. So that means go as far as you can until at the very end you feel the surface was supporting the brush, you cannot go anymore. So try to go as far as you can and increasing the pressure gently and evenly. Okay, let's try this, the 1 and the 2. The surface is enough for your long stroke. I haven't managed. So for this stroke, if you manage to have the increasing the pressure slowly by slowly, you will find you can draw a very long stroke. However, during the ideograph, you probably will depend on like the ideograph. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes shorter, sometimes even with more angle, but the technique is the same. And let's have a look at one of the samples from the ancient masters about their impression about this ideograph. So this is one of the examples, as you can see, with a thin touchdown, but with one flow. You can see it with the ligature here demonstrate how the brush actually moved from one to the other and here. So generally, like the cursive script, they are more soft. I mean, both the movement and also, you see, it's narrower, the lines in general. So instead of like the formal script, you can see clearly the touchdown and the sliding. For cursive script, they are all blending together. Okay, so let's have a close study this sample and let's try. So as you can see, the brush movement is very, it's in like one flow, but it has different stages with the transition and the sliding. And we can still see some trace from the semi-cursive script. If you like the way I teach and are interested in learning East Asia calligraphy, please check out our online program, The Meditative Art of East Asia Calligraphy. The link is in the description. I'm looking forward to practicing with you.